Now, you welcome back to the statistic class. And as we can see, I've just moved away from there in getting the value. And when you look at it here, I've just got the values of the midpoint, which I said you are going to use the class interval or the scores. When you had 60 plus, when you had that 60 plus 62, of course, that will give you 122. When you divide 122 by 2, it's going to give you 61. Like I said, instead of you adding it together and be dividing it like that, you can just look for the class size. When you look at the class size now, the class size, like I said, 60 to 62. That's 60, 61, 62. So that is 3. Just add the class size to this. So at this point now, because we actually want to get the mean of the scores of the student, which we said is summation fx over summation f. Of course, that means you need to get your summation fx, that is your f multiplied by s. So that means you are multiplying this 1 multiplied by 61 here, which will give you 61. 7 multiplied by 64, which will give you 448. 9 multiplied by 68, which will give you 603. 7 multiplied by 70, which will give you 490. Once you multiply this together, it's going to give you this, and you are going to add everything you have here together. So when you add 61 plus 448 plus 603 plus 49, you add everything together, it's going to give you 3,554. So this 3,554 is your summation fx. It's the addition of fx. So the addition, so that is going to give you 3,554 to be divided by summation f. That is addition of this frequency, which is what? 50. So when you divide this together, can we divide this now? That will give us 350 what? 54 to be divided by 50. And that will give us 71.08. If the instruction says you should approximate it to one significant figure, or if the instruction did not say that, just leave it as well, 71.8. But if the instruction says you should approximate it to the nearest whole number, of course, this will definitely give you what? 71, if you are taking it to the nearest whole number. But if the instruction did not say anything, just leave it like that. So that is how to find the mean value. Yes, another thing I want to quickly ship into this is that because of our time, in case if you are asked to construct a cumulative frequency, instead of you doing another table entirely, if the questions is still together, you can still quickly get your cumulative frequency here. The cumulative frequency simply means the subsections of this, which is the first frequency here is what? Is 1. When you add that 1 to the next frequency, which is what? 7, that will give us 8. 8 plus the next one, which is what? 9. And that will give us what? 17. 17 plus 7, that will give you 20 what? That will give you 24. So 24 plus 13, of course, that will give you 30 what? 37. 37 plus 9, when you add 9 to this, that will give you 40 what? 46. When you add 46 plus 3, that will give you 49. When you add 49 plus 1, that will give you what? 50. So this is your cumulative frequency. So we are going to stop here, and our next class is going to be looking at using the same set of data or already group data given to us, and using that to find the variance and the standard deviation. We wanted to look at the what is it called? The other central tendency, which is median and what? And mode. So we'll look at it in the next video. So let's just look at this, and of course there will be an exercise under this video, a pictures that will comprises of a question related to this. So just solve it on your own. You don't have to come back there and then put this. So you can share this video with any students that you think this video will definitely help in the areas of finding calculating the mean values of any group data. Thank you, and God bless you all.